Hi, everyone. Right here is my grandparents' dog, Lucy, and she wants to play with me. Okay, Lucy. Here, I'm gonna play fetch with her and stuff, and I'm about to throw one of these toys. Are you ready, Lucy? One, two, three, go get it. Oh, be careful, Lucy. Hey, no, Luce. Please don't go. I want to keep playing. How about I throw both the toys at once? Okay, thank you. Two toys. Here I go. Go get him. Loose. Hey, Loose. No, Loose. I haven't thrown the toy yet. Loose. Oops. Okay, Loose. I'm gonna throw both of the toys again. Here I go. Loose. Loose. Okay, Loose. This is my last throw for right now. And okay. Okay. Okay, can I please borrow it back? Oh. Okay, never mind. Okay, Luce. I guess you're ready again. So, here I go. Okay, I'll throw this other one too, just to help. Well, I guess we're done playing for now, everybody. So, at least I played with her some. So, anyways, bye for now.